land of diverse cultures is one country that truly represents the whole globe. Flowers has been a part of Indian culture ever since the existence of humanity. The world with floral culture, flower consumption in this portion of the world has always been very high. Not surprising, India has been the largest flower producing country in over 1,03,000 hectares. Indian floriculture, however, differs from modern floriculture world over. Indians used the buds of flowers to make the garlands and offerings to devotees in ancient times. Commercial floriculture encompasses of plants for cut flowers, loose flowers, cut foliage, essential oils for perfumery industry, bedding purposes, pot culture, indoor gardening and drying of flowers and plant parts for floral arrangement and crafts. Government of India has identified floriculture as a sunrise industry and accorded it 100% export-oriented status. Owing to steady increase in demand of flowers, floriculture has become one of the important commercial trades in agriculture. Hence, commercial floriculture has emerged as a high-tech activity taking place under controlled conditions. Floriculture in India is being viewed as high-growth industry. Commercial floriculture is becoming important from the export engine. Commercial floriculture in India is going through a paradigm shift where traditional flower cultivation is giving way to modern high-tech flower cultivation, which is evident from India's rising production and exports. Floriculture, the culture of plants. Floriculture includes the production of floral crops, distribution of the crops from grower to consumer and processing of the crops, growing and using the plants for decorative purposes. Importance of floriculture. Improves the bioaesthetic values in nature, beautifying the houses, garden and avenues. Mainly cultivated for the attractive flowers. Potted plants for interior decoration or planted outside for landscaping. Beautify floral production. Growing of the flowering or the foliage plants to sale size or maturity. Grower, a person in charge of the plant production. Other jobs in production. Production supervisor, marketing manager, greenhouse worker. Major types of floriculture crops. Cut flowers. Supply flowers to wholesale florist. Grow the flowers, cut them. Major flowers like chrysanthemum, roses, carnations, zerbera, gladiolus, bird of paradise, tulip flowers, anthurium.
Thank you.
foliage plants. Potted plants to be grown and sold for their leaves. Bedding plants. Herbaceous annual flowers and vegetable for outdoor planting. Flower show held at Lal Bagh. Types of flower arrangement. Horizontal arrangement, vertical arrangement, triangular arrangement, crescent arrangement, oval arrangement, freestanding, minimal arrangement, bouquet, Hogarth's arrangement. Flower markets, wholesale markets, retail markets. Now let's watch a video on grading and packing of the flowers. The cut flowers brought from the field are rolled in covers and washed. The washed flowers are graded according to their color and size. then sent to the market. Commercial floriculture plays a very important role in Indian economy. It improves the economic conditions of the farmer by adopting new technologies like greenhouses and polyhouses. Subsidies are made available to the farmers by the Government of India for this purpose. There is good market and marketing facilities for the flowers. Therefore, it is one of the best sunrise industry.